Hey folks, Vic Noble here. Happy New Year. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of great scalping trades to start off the year. These are trades that I posted for our Coach's Corner Scalp Service members in advance, of course, not after the fact, so our members were able to take on these high odds trades. And listen, don't be intimidated by the word scalping. Believe me, we're not huddled over our computers clicking in and out of trades all day long. All right, that's a fast way to lose all your money. We have a very set trading plan in place, and what we do is the same thing as we do for any trading style. We trade patterns at key levels of higher time frame support and resistance. All right, let me show you a couple of trades that I posted on January the 4th 2021. Okay, so the first trade I'll show you was on the New Zealand Canadian dollar pair, and I'll just show you what I posted for our members in advance in our scalp in our scalping service room, and it was this trade right here. Okay, so you can see what I posted before it happened. I was showing that the prices were going down, the MACD was going up. This gray area here is where we're looking to buy. Okay, all right, let's go down to the chart, and I'll show you that same. Well, let's go through this trade. We were down at this level of support in here. That's when we want to be a buyer, and this is a pair that's in a strong uptrend. The price action on the higher time frames was a big clue to us to get into this trade, and on the 15-minute chart, this is exactly where I posted the trade to buy if it came down to here, and it did. It came down, and the buy was at 91.40, or I also posted in the room live that I was going to be looking at a level a little bit lower at 91.37, because it was also not only our divergence buy setup, it was also what we call a pattern number 4. We just have a few patterns that we use to confirm these levels, and look at the move up here. It was fantastic. In fact, this trade here, whether you bought it at 91.40 or 91.37 didn't matter. The stop was either 11 pips or 14 pips. The opposing level, which is our ultimate target on the daily chart, was over 70 pips away. That's at least a 5-to-1 or a 6-to-1 if you bought it at the lower level here. That's a heck of a trade, and that's what can happen with these little scalp trades like this. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. It was on the Aussie Canadian dollar pair, and let's go back and have a look and see what I posted. Okay, just to make sure I'm doing this legit here. Aussie CAD. What did I post? Look where price was when I posted this. It was way up here. I'm saying look to be a buyer right down here at 97.83-ish area. Let's go and have a look and see what happened. Aussie. So again, big strong uptrend on this pair. We just love to find a place to buy on it, and it was another divergence trade with the price going lower and the MACD going higher. 97.83 was right here. Remember when I posted it, price was up in here somewhere. Comes down, we get filled, our stop goes under here. Okay, this needed a 14 pip risk. Look at this move up, and it's still going, and you could still be in this trade. See, this trade needed a 14 pip risk. It hit an opposing level on the 4-hour chart, which is one of our ways to take profit. Let me just show you that on the 4-hour chart, which is right in here. See how price hit it? Let me just zoom that in a bit. This was it here. Price hit it right here. Okay, that right there was good for over a 4-to-1 reward risk trade. These are fantastic trades, folks. And I'll show you one more that did not work out, by the way. And I had posted this one in advance too. And we got to show everything: the wins, the losses, the whole works, right? That's the honesty of it all. We can't just show the big winners. This was another divergence trade. It was kind of a sloppy one, but you know what? Hindsight is a wonderful thing. This trade was a buy down here, and it went straight against us for a full loss. Okay, so you can call that a -1R. Okay, that's our risk is R. So depending on your trade management, there was a 5R reward risk on that New Zealand CAD, maybe a 6, depending on it. 6, call it 5. There was a 4R positive trade on the Aussie CAD, and then we had a -1R on this one. Like, that is a pretty nice day of trading by any standard. Okay, actually, that's a pretty nice month of trading. And this is the potential with taking very small risk trades like we do with scalping. Okay, trade management is obviously a huge component of trading. Like if you got all excited because you let's go back to this New Zealand CAD trade here. You got all excited because you got into this trade, and it starts to go up and you got up 10 pips and you clicked out because you just don't want to see it become a loss. You're not going to get these huge reward risk moves doing that. Okay, obviously. So trade management is part of the development that traders need to go through. But it's so great to see some of the members pick these trades up and profit from them. It's just always nice to have other people, like in our trading chat room, other people in the same trades and being able to communicate with them. Listen, if you didn't already know, we're holding a live webinar in a few days, Thursday, July the 7th, 3 p.m. Eastern Time, and I'm going to provide more details on the scalping service, exactly what it is, how it's conducted, etc. Darko's going to do the same thing for his day trading service, which has been like incredibly good as well. So if this kind of trading is at all of any interest to you, register for the webinar. Check it out. And if you're able to make it live, ask us questions. If you can't make it live, register anyway, and we'll send you the recording. Okay. And just so you know, this approach to trading can be applied to any style of trading. Doesn't matter. It could be scalping, day trading, swing trading, position trading. It's the same stuff. Okay. And just so you know, as we normally do, we'll be making a very attractive price offering that has been deeply discounted. Okay. We're giving everyone the opportunity to make it as easy as possible to say yes and to join our community of traders, remove any excuses from a pricing point of view at least, okay? And I tell you, what a great group of people we have in our community. And believe me, it's a totally non-intimidating atmosphere. People are very respectful of each other, so it's really good. So anyway, there you go. There's a link to the webinar in the text below this video or in the email that you received, and we hope to see you there. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, I'd sure appreciate a thumbs up by hitting the like button, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel because I'll be putting out more videos like this. And then also, if you click that little bell, you'll be notified whenever we put out a new video. Okay, thanks again. Hope to see you at our webinar coming up on Thursday, January the 7th, just a few days from now. Cheers. Take care.